And here's I will show you how to fix Telegram. This phone number is banned error. So whenever you try to log into your Telegram account, you see this phone number is banned option. Here I will show you how you can easily fix this problem. So from this error page, just tap on help, or you can open the mail or Gmail app on your mobile device. And now let's compose a new mail. In this to field, you have to add this email recover @telegram.org. So all you have to need, we are going to appeal our problem to Telegram support. So make sure to add this recover@telegram.org here, and in the subject field you have to type here this phone number is banned, and in this email body you have to type that you are trying to log into your Telegram account and you are facing this phone number is banned error. So all you have to need, carefully describe, and in the email message body you have to attach your Telegram number, and after that go ahead and send this mail to Telegram support, and after sending it, wait few hours, and then Telegram will fix your this number is banned problem. Thanks for watching.